Hey there, content creators. Today I'm diving into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO. So what exactly is SEO? Simply put, SEO is the art and science of driving organic traffic to your website from search engines like Google. Think about it. When you search for something online, you usually click one of the top results, right? SEO helps your website climb those rankings so more people find your content. First off, you need to understand keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into search engines. By sprinkling relevant keywords throughout your content, you signal to search engines that your site is a good match for those search terms. But it's not just about keywords. Your website's structure matters too. Make sure it's easy to navigate and loads quickly. Google loves user-friendly sites, and they'll reward you with higher rankings. Another crucial aspect is backlinks. These are links from other websites pointing to yours. Think of them as votes of confidence. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears to search engines. Content is king, folks. Regularly updating your site with fresh, valuable content keeps visitors coming back and signals to search engines that your site is active and relevant. Don't forget about on-page SEO. This includes optimizing your titles, headers, and meta descriptions. These elements help search engines understand what each page is about. And lastly, keep an eye on your analytics. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track your SEO performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. So there you have it, a crash course in SEO. Start implementing these tips today and watch your website's visibility soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content creation tips. Catch you later.